tried making a deal with her dad because my Uncle Mike had a nice car. Her dad didn't want... Because I was working with him and... Oh, right. It's really about the storm. Yeah, there's some wicked lightning.
It's because right now we're in a severe area.
Alright. Okay. Bye.
Now, get off the phone. It's a good thing you got off the phone because I was looking at Danny. I was like, he's outside on his cell phone. How do you think Leilani got struck by lightning?
Really?
Mm-hmm.
I didn't know she got struck by lightning.
Well, not technically, but she's the reason that my mom's house chimney like blew up. Didn't scratch one car. It was a miracle.
Trying to get work. That's why I called Dr. Office, but I don't think she will be able to.
Why?
No, I like talking to her every now and then. She don't keep in touch with us. She don't answer her phones or nothing. I do like keeping in touch, but I am also trying to get work.
Wow. That's gay.
What?
No.
What's gay?
I don't know.
What the fuck?
No.
No? Danny, she turned me down. Danny. You know? I can almost get it from here.
Hey, stop. You're making like this look like it's lightning out. I don't want like people thinking that.
Boom!
You're so beyond gay.
I'm so beyond I got pissed like a racehorse.
Pee outside.
No. It's illegal.
Go around the corner. Right next to my place.
No. I'm in my socks. I'm gonna go out in the rain.
Can we get your shoes?
No.
Oh, I gotta go.
But I want to smoke my cigarette.
Just stop it and save it for after you're done. It's gonna be 2 minutes. Not even.
Ow.
Get out of here, Brett.
Yeah.
It's the beer.
Let me ask you, how many times you pissed when you were at the bar with Leilani? I didn't want to get that. Get the fuck out of here. You were loaded. You drank more. You pissed more than once.
Notice what I said. I only remember.
You only remember one.
He's beat. Danny, you beat. I know, you got Caspi. Brett.
$7 years for test.
This is a life, life or death thunderstorm.
Really?
I don't know. Just felt like saying it. A life-threatening thunderstorm.
You know, the thunder wasn't really that loud down in Ocean City.
It's not going to. It's because of the ocean. It mimics out the sound. So gay. What? Can you take my cigarette stand, please? Right there.
Sure.
Thanks, love.
But they have, if you know it's on both ways, I don't know. I'm like, what? What is this people in the both ways?
Like the girls hang out together?
Kind of heavier.
Are we playing the game, or are we just gonna lay here until we leave?
Danny, did you know in the winter when it snows, it lightnings and thunders? We're just so used to it that we don't even notice it. Did you know that? That's freaking awesome, though. Woo!
Why is it too long? Have a third?